back. This morning silence. It's very peaceful. He's very hungry. Good morning. How is breakfast? Aha. Çok teşekkür ederim, zahmet oldu. İyi servis. Perfect. Smell perfect.
50リラの朝食です。パンもめっちゃ美味しそうです。彼とシェアして一緒にいただきます。
I'm not the kind that takes away when it's over, when it's all for me. I'm fine pretending that you'll keep above water. Maybe you'll carry me. Maybe you'll carry me. This changed, but people keep it.
It's perfect brotherhood.
Wow.
How they grow
I
up
found
together.
somebody. I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine.
Huge olive tree. That's how many? Yes. But here olive tree is very powerful. I think they are very old. But I think interesting for season, you know. If they are waiting, getting black. No one harvest.
Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the
You love
feeling
it?
of all that we were.
It's too huge.
I don't always think about it till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do. I get guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind.
Yes, he handsome boy.
She asked about you, hesitate every time.
He need love.
I always think about you,
Already black,
but sometimes
and I think they are harvest for the oil.
I drive
Because after rain, they are more oily. The professional people say like this. Already color change. I think they can harvest more oil now. Kolay gelsin. Nasıl, güzel bir zeytinler, yağlandı mı?
Yağlandı gerçekten.
Ya-
I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. 'Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do.
How are you today?
Good.
How is Theos Antique City?
It's too huge. I'm very tired, but you can see so many trees, olive trees.
Yes. And huge olive trees.
Beautiful.
I don't know they are how old,
Yes.
but crazy big. You need really time for renovation.
Yes, it's very difficult.
Because look till here. For example, now we are in Acropole, and Acropole to sea, I think more than 5 kilometers.